Yo, what's up, my man?
But if you close your eyes,
We're live at Shirakawa.
Yeah.
So what can you say about hanabi in Shirakawa, man?
Yeah.
Man, yo,
It's cool, man.
it's cool, man. What's cool about that?
Bubblegum, it's ice.
I think it's a candy, man.
Candy.
Candy, not a bubble gum.
So,
Huh?
candy smell.
Nandito kami ngayon sa Shirakawa. We're gonna watch fireworks. Ang fireworks dito is August, summer.
Kasi, di show.
Sa Pinas, ang fireworks is December or January, di ba?
Anytime.
Anytime you can do it anytime you want.
Fireworks. Fireworks. Ano, katani.
Baby, you're a fireworks.
Nikiti Perry.
Nikiti Perry? Nikiti?
Kasya ba? Kasya yan. Full na. Full.
Oh, pull daw.
Full na. Labas. Ayun na lang. Yes.
Okay.
Kasi di show. Kasi di show.
Diba?
So we decided to go upstairs. Kasi downstairs hindi namin masyado makita ang fireworks. Mas maganda ang view dito ba? You know the view, what the view means?
Alam ko yung view. Alam ko yung view.
Ano yung view?
Yung sa camera view finder.
Everybody gets high sometimes, you know. What else can we do when we're feeling low? So take a deep breath and let it go. You shouldn't be drowning on your own. And if you feel you're sinking, I will jump right over into cold, cold water for you. And although time may take us into different places, I will still be patient with you. And I hope you know I won't let go. I'll be your lifeline tonight. I won't let go. I'll be your lifeline tonight. 'Cause we all get lost sometimes, you know. It's how we learn and how we grow. And I wanna lay with you till I'm old. Oh, you shouldn't be fighting on your own. And if you feel you're sinking, I will jump right over into cold, cold water for you.
Yo, our drone just got busted by the police, man. Hindi namin alam na bawal pala dito mag-drone eh. At ngayon, kinukuha na ang aming mga kailangan. Nay, eto na ang katapusan ko. Pag hindi ako nakatawag, Nay.
Ako rin.
Nay,
Salim na rin ako.
pag hindi kami nakatawag bukas, Nay. Nasa kulungan na kami.
Pag wala na kami.
Video. Ito po guys. Kukunin na yung address namin. Yung alien card namin. Hindi naman kami mga alien.
Hindi naman kailangan ng card kasi mukha ng alien. Nay, may nag-aasa pa, Nay. Titinan pa nila kung may penalty kami wala. Ganito pala kapag huhulihin ka pa sa Japan, kailangan kang timbangin. Ganito raw manood ng fireworks sa Japan.
Kasi kailangan tama ka sa timbang.
Oo.
Kasi hindi ka tama sa timbang.
Hindi ka makakanood. And that concludes our panonood ng fireworks. Kailangan pang mapulis.
Yeah, man.
What can you say about?
It's just a great experience.
Yeah, it's awesome.
Yeah.
This is our first time.
Kailangan mahuli ng buhay.
Magte-12 na, wala pa rin sila. Nag-aantay pa rin kami. Naglalakad-lakad na lang kami dito, nag-aantay sa kanila.
rushing, hit a wall. Right now, I need a miracle.
This is what we look right now. Ito na, literally. Ganito pala feeling kapag parang malapit ka nang mahuli ng pulis. Ganyan mo ba? We're tired and sleepy and tired. Like that.
I need you right now. Yeah, I need you right now. So don't let me, don't